Hello children, welcome to today's video session of Standard 8 Moral Science 9th lesson Gratitude. Do not pine for what is not. Express gratitude for all you have. True gratitude is the inner feelings that wells up with joyous thankfulness for good. It is only out of grateful feeling and thought that true gratitude can come. The love that is always a part of this feeling warms the one who feels the gratitude and also those on whom this gratitude is bestowed. Gratitude is always response to good. True gratitude is seeing, acknowledging, being glad and thankful for good. Sometimes children are not grateful because they do not see the good in whatever they have. We must open their eyes to good things. Seeing, noticing, being alert to something good is basically essential to be grateful to it. If we keep our eyes and ears open, we can find good things everywhere, for which we have to be grateful. We have the protection and warmth of a home. We have the love and care of parents, the kindness of brothers and sisters, a school and its provisions for learning. Turn to history and see the services the various individuals have given to help their fellow men throughout the ages. Recognize the thought that have come down the ages in literature. Without seeing and noticing these good things, there cannot be gratitude, which we should feel and try to express. When there is a gratitude in thought, it is essential for it come into expression, even if it is just for a moment. It may be appreciation shown in a child's shy smile or a happy glance at the giver, spontaneously after accepting a gift. One may say, "I like it more than anything." Sometimes we may receive something that we may not like or want. In this case, we must see the thoughtfulness behind the gift and be grateful for that. Grateful thought leads to gracious words. Action, of course, speaks louder than words, and so we learn that willing obedience is a true tribute to all that our parents try to do for us. That is why we listen to our parents' counsel and accept their corrections. Gratitude, like all other qualities, it is intertwined with other qualities. Gratitude has in its humanity. Otherwise, our arrogance would hide the view of good that is the cause of gratitude. Unless we express a true gratitude with complete honesty, the entire exercise would be a complete waste of time. To say thank you without meaning it, it is sheer formality. Similarly, gratitude springs from love, and in turn it becomes the best expression of love. To our daily gratitude can be expressed to all those who deserve it. To God, we should thank God for all the wonderful things He has given us. We express gratitude towards God by saying our prayers regularly. We thank God for the world so nice and to lead us to virtue away from vice. To our parents take the place of God on earth. They love and care for us. They lead us on the path of right. They work very hard to ensure that all the work they do for us. There are several ways in which we can show our gratitude towards our parents. The true form of gratitude towards them would be to behave as they would like to behave. To love and respect them and to try to lighten their work as much as possible. Rehna and her little brother stayed at home. When their parents went to work, Rehna looked after her little brother and kept all her things properly. By the time Mummy came back in the evening, Rehna completed all her homework. She would try to help Mummy because she knows that Mummy would be tired after a hectic day in the office. Mummy in turn had confidence in Rehna's capabilities. She knew that Rehna was a responsible child and she could trust her. The atmosphere in the house was therefore full of love and mutual understanding. To our teachers take the place of our parents in school. They had not only teach us to read and write but also make us aware of all good and acceptable values of life. They love and nurture us in the God wants us to be. We can express gratitude towards our teacher by behaving exactly as they advise us, by imbibing good qualities and by giving them due respect. To friends and acquaintances. Gratitude towards our friends is very necessary. They play an important part in our life. If we take them for granted and be insensitive toward their wishes, we will be doing injustice to them. Our friends give us company when we need. They play with us and try to keep us in good order. If we show some appreciation towards them, it will definitely strengthen the bond of friendship. We come across the different people in our everyday life. Our neighbors or the shopkeepers all contribute in small ways in making us a good person. Our gratitude towards all of them would be to help them whatever they are in need. We should be kind and considerate, polite and courteous towards them. This is how God would like us to be, and this is how we can show our true gratitude towards Him. Thank you.